Hi guys, my name is Sesi Quashie, and here on YouTube I create content in beauty, lifestyle, and DIY. So if you like the stuff I create, do stick around. So in today's tutorial, I'll just be doing my eyes. I wanted to create this beautiful brown smoky kind of effect, but not like just a regular brown smoky, something with so much spice and so much beauty. So that's just going to be it for this tutorial, so do stay and enjoy. I'll be using the Colourpop Cute AF palette, and I'll be going in with this dark brown. I believe this is in the shade French Kiss, and then I'll use this as well. This is in GNO, and I'll use this pretty yellow right here. This is in Mischief, I want to believe, but I feel the dark brown here has a bit of reddish tint to it, so I'll kind of use the Juvia Space Masquerade palette, the mini. I'll kind of be using this as well to like alternate. This is in Fulani, so I'll use this as well. So after applying my concealer, I use just 3 brushes to create this eye look. So the very one on my right, it's the brown to like really pack the eyeshadow onto my eyelid, and then I use this brush in the middle to create the orange. It's more of like a tapered fluffy brush, and then I just use another fluffy brush, not a tapered one though. You could use another tapered brush, but I didn't have any on hand, so I used just this other fluffy brush to pack the yellow onto the eyelid. And yeah, so this is how beautiful it looks. I pretty much should bring you in to like show you how I applied the shadows. gold liners in a long time, so I'm going to do some gold eyeliner. This is how beautiful the look came out. I'm so glad we did this whole like smoky brown, and I feel the gold like glitter eyeliner did a lot. It really helped in making the look like beautiful in another way. And like I always say, if you have really beautiful eyes, it's okay not to have like any colorful lips, so I almost always go with the nude lip just so my eyes do most or all of the talking. And I use this Rozay Minktress lashes. I hope I got that right. Minktress, yeah, I think I did. I use this Rozay Minktress. I've had this for a while. I think I'll probably use it like once or twice, but I took it up today and I tried it on, and I just love the way it complements the eye look. And if you haven't watched my previous video on how I create like beautiful skin makeup, like that video is a must watch, so I'll link it up here so you can watch it. And you see, this is my makeup. This is like, this is skin, like there's no difference, everything is like one. It's so beautiful. And I did use some products from Black Secret. I did a product review on their product, so I'm also going to leave that up here, and everything I'm saying is also going to be in the description. Like every video I'm talking about is also going to be in the description. For now, just like the gold highlight in my hair, like pretty much that's it. If you did enjoy this tutorial, please don't forget to give me a big like and to subscribe. Subscription is free. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.